Hi guys, and welcome back to my Plan of Perfection. This is Nikita, and I know it's been a little while, but life's been hectic, and I always say I just try and upload when I can. But today I'm going to be unboxing 2 Archer and Olive journals. Address the elephants in the room. I sliced my thumb open and I thought I'd save you all the horrors of seeing it, and I've got my little Minnie Mouse plaster on. But yeah, so Sateki Stickers is a UK stock list for some of the stuff, and I saw that she was doing a restock, and I'd got some Christmas money and I thought, you know what, I've always wanted one, I'm gonna do it. And then I ended up buying 2. So let's see, I don't know which one's which, so I'm just going to open one. Just hope for the best. So I got both in the B5 size, and I'm going to try something new. Let's see, who did we get? Oh, and this is how they came packaged. They did have like cellophane wrapped right over them as well. But yeah, I already have had like a sneak peek, and so I thought I'd just share it with you, because I'm thinking of maybe doing some junk journaling or something in at least one of them. I'm not 100% on names and stuff, guys, so I'm very, very sorry about that. But how pretty is this? And it's like a fabricy feel with, I don't know, but it's very, very pretty. And I love the little, can we see it? Kind of. I'm just debating, because it's quite a nice day today. I feel like that looks better, but I'm not sure. That's without my light, and this is with my light. You kind of get the holographic a little bit better, don't you? But as well, the edges are all in this holographic. I did want to say that the gilded edges, but gilded is gold, isn't it? So I don't know if what this is classed as even. Got a little pen loop, and of course we've got the elastic closure. Now guys, when I open this, how pretty is that? Oh, I love it so much. And it says this book belongs to, and then you can put your name, and obviously it's got the Archer and Olive branding. And these pages, so thick. It is the dot grid. Is it like 0.5 mil, I think? But yeah, I don't even, ooh, that crunch noise was nice. I think it's because I'm uncrunching all the edges, maybe. But yeah, very pretty, and you do get a little pocket in the back. So let's see, do we have any details? It's the 160 GSM, and yeah, it's white paper, which I'm gonna again show you with the light off, and I think that shows the white a lot better. And of course this is the back of the book, and then let's go, we just have the little bookmark. Oh, that was stuck then. Oh, it's left a tiny indent. But yeah, it's very, very pretty. I'm not sure, I like this, but I don't know how I feel about them. Time will tell, I guess. But yeah, I do want to kind of just do some junk journaling, just, yeah. And I thought, you know what, I want a big planner for it. But yeah, that's my first one, and then this is the one that, oh, I do have a bonus or washi to show you as well that I've got. This is the one that I was like, oh, I need that. And just in case you're curious, this is the inside of the like drawer, I guess. And I'll just, you can pause it there if you want to read it. But it's a very like cute little message. And I'm gonna put my light back on and just kind of see. I'm gonna move you to the side. And I think this is the storybook or something like that, but look at the spine as well. I didn't show the spine on this one. You can tell I'm rusty. Look at that. How beautiful are they going to look on the bookshelf? But yeah, the front has the holographic foil, but the back doesn't. And I don't know which one I prefer, but it's very textured and very pretty. And again, this is the same as the moon phases. I should have written down what these were called. Look at that as well, and it's textured and it's very, very beautiful. Look at that as well, where it's shining off the ring light. Love it, absolutely love it. And then again, we get the pocket in the back, and then I'm going to do the crunch. Let's see if we can get it to do it. Oh, so nice. Yeah, I love it. Oh, just look, guys. But yeah, I'm so excited to journal. So let me know down below which one you think I should start in, because I love them both. This is definitely more of a like bubblegum pink, I would say, or it's closer to a bubblegum pink. And then the moon phases is like more of a mauvey pink. But again, we get the little bookmarks, and I just, yeah, guys, the only thing I'm not a fan of is the back pen loop. I'd like it to match the elastic if possible, but I guess you can just rip it out, but I'm not going to do that. Maybe I'll have a look and see what the situation is with cutting them out. But I did also pick up some Bloomsicle Petite samples. Sorry guys, I dropped one and then the arm of my chair's just hit my desk. But yeah, what did I get? I got just to try them out. Let's zoom in. Okay. So, I'm not sure how well these are going to show up. But it's very, very pretty. And these are, I think you'd have to cut them out individually to use them. But I fell in love with them. And this is like a pink holographic-y foil, very pretty. The Little Mermaid, because I love the Little Mermaid. Why is the lighting seems so funky? I feel like that's definitely a bit more true. But yeah, and then this is like a Beauty and the Beast one. And look at that. Yeah, I think it definitely shows up a little bit better in the natural light. And then, of course, I think this is one of my favourites just because of that fox in the pumpkin. But yeah, guys, that's everything I got from Suteki Stickers. And I'm very excited about my new Archer and Olive journals. But yeah, please let me know down below in the comments which one you think I should start in. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and it'd be absolutely amazing if you decided to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.